Now we'll look at the pelvis. This is the pelvic bone, ilium, pubis, and then the ischium. This is the femur bone. Here this is the superior pelvic inlet, inferior. The baby goes from here to here. Now we'll look at the pelvis. What are the organs? This is the penis. This is the testis. It is present in the scrotum. This is the spermatic cord. If I remove this, I'll show you the cut section like this. This is the urinary bladder, and the urine from here passes through here, then through the penis it goes out. And now we'll look at the male pelvis and the female pelvis separately. So you can see. So you can see this is the male cut section, sagittal section of the pelvis, and this is the female. So in how we can differentiate, the main basic difference is the penis present in the males, and there is no penis. Okay, and then we'll come to the male pelvis. Here is the penis. This is the testis, and it is present in the scrotal sac. And why this is it is not present in the abdominal cavity? Because the formation of sperm requires a lesser body temperature, 1 to 2 degrees. So that's why. And here this is the urinary bladder. From the urine comes from here to the ureters, and this is a very distensible micturition reflex. Like when it stretches, all the reflexes, it goes to the spinal cord by the pelvic nerves, pelvic splanchnic nerves, pudendal nerves. So the urine passes from here, the urethra, prostate. This is the prostate gland. Here you can see. This is the prostatic urethra. This is the membranous urethra, and this is the penile urethra, and it goes outside here. And this is the rectum. Now we'll come into the female pelvis. Female pelvis is slightly different from the male pelvis. Here you can see the bladder. The opening of the urinary bladder in pelvis is in females is here, and the vaginal cavity is here, and this is the uterus, and this is the anus. So you can see the bladder, after that the uterus, then the rectum. So female has like the first there is a opening of the urine, opening for the urine from the bladder, then the uterus. This is the vaginal opening, and this is the rectum where the feces passes from the females. Here is another model of the pelvis. Here you can clearly see. Here you can see, this is the what I was talking about. See here from reference here, this opening, this is the opening for the urine. This structure, this is the vaginal opening. This you can see for the reproduction, and this is the anus. See here, this and this clearly. And these are the pelvic floor muscles. The pubococcygeus, iliococcygeus are present here. This is the obturator foramen here, and ligaments are present here. And this is the sciatic nerve, which comes from the greater sciatic notch from the ilium bone.